Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today I have the Color Combos with Crystal, second episode, Gold Embossing on Acetate. This is a great way to create an elegant card. For this card we're using Step Out Peony, and this is a layered stamp set, acetate that I have pre-folded, black cardstock, white card base, embossing powder, and embossing pad. We are going to begin with the sentiment from our stamp set. We are going to stamp it with embossing ink, and then we are gonna put some gold embossing powder. Using our embossing gun, we're gonna heat set that and set aside to cool. Next, I have a piece of acetate that is the size of our card panel, and I added 1/4 inch on the top and scored it. Using a heavy adhesive like score tape, we are going to adhere it to the back of the panel that we had heat embossed. We're going to put some cornstarch or embossing buddy on the acetate. We're going to stamp it with our floral and shake off the excess, and using a brush we are going to clean off the edges. We're going to repeat the process on the other two corners with the thicker of the flowers. Stamp with our clear embossing and then come in with our embossing powder and remove the excess. Use our brush to clean it up again and heat emboss. I want to note that it does warp a little bit, so what I did, I kind of added a little bit of heat onto the back and folded it just to straighten it out. Now we're going to place the whole panel onto our card base, and we are ready to send this out. How fun is that? Thank you so much for joining me on this second episode on the things you can do with gold embossing powder and your Unity stamps. Come on by next week for episode 3 of gold embossing powder and Unity stamps for Color Combos with Crystal. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.